I know I haven't posted a video in a minute. I've been grinding, pushing the needle, but as you can see, I'm doing a sit-down video. I am posting and filming and editing a vlog that I'm actually going to post, but I'm in Dubai, as you can probably see and tell, and probably hear. There's hella construction going on, but I'm probably going to make the title something along the lines of like how that little business changed my life and something like that. And a lot of you guys know what I do already. I do organic dropshipping and just dropshipping in general. I do have a paid ad store now. That's something new. Also, I did get a tattoo. That's also new. The store started last month around the 22nd, and it hasn't been a full 30 days, but as you can see, 10.5K on just that one store, and that's just with paid ads. As you guys know, I do organic dropshipping as like my main job. Some of you guys know the store already, but I pretty much got evicted and I needed to lock in. Everyone around me wasn't locked in. I was going out every night, getting drunk, getting with women, and just it wasn't a good time. It wasn't a good place to be. So long story short, I locked in. I was doing drop shipping and I was making a lot of money, especially for my age. I'm 22 now, but 21 years old. I was making good money for my age, and I was hella locked in. I was just so locked in and dedicated and motivated just to perfect drop shipping, organic drop shipping. And that's what I did. Without drop shipping, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be in Dubai. I'm here for a week. I have personal drivers. I have a Porsche here. You guys will see all of that in the vlog, but I wouldn't be able to do any of this as a 22-year-old without drop shipping. Now, not drop shipping itself, but how I run my business. I'm here for free. This entire trip is a free trip. You're like, how did you do that? A credit card, literally. All I did was run my business through a credit card. I have the Amex Gold credit card, the Business Gold, and I have the personal Gold. But I use my Business Gold for my business, obviously, and I get obviously the points. I don't live a lavish lifestyle. I get my money to make my money and make myself more money. I don't get money to spend it to make it look like I have money. You know what I'm saying? So, and I'm also here on this trip alone. Like, this is a solo trip. This is pretty much how everyone that you see online is doing their business. They're opening up an LLC, they're getting a business credit card, they're putting all of their finances on that business credit card for their business. So for example, if I'm running ads, I'm spending hundreds of dollars a day on a business credit card, and that's just gaining me points. Plus I have like Airbnb, travel, just different things. And I also pair it with my personal gold card, so I also get points with like groceries and just daily life, stuff like that. I'm getting hundreds of thousands of points, and I'm going to vacation for free. I have fake turf. My biggest advice for you guys is to open up your LLC and start officially your business. I know you're drop shipping and you don't have an LLC, you don't have an official business, but that's what you need to do. First step is to do that. If you want to have this, you got to have an LLC, you got to have a business credit card, and I'll just show you. As you can see, I have two. I have the regular one, my regular personal Amex Gold, and then my Business Gold. And that Business Gold, the points from those cards are matched. The best way to do pretty much what I do on the back end of running my business and getting all this money and traveling for free and all of this, and that's pretty much with a company called Dula. Now, they're literally built to help people like me and you fully get set up with an LLC and EIN, and they'll take care of any lawyers or paperwork depending on what you need to do. I don't have any lawyers, I don't need any lawyers, but obviously there is some paperwork that you need to do whenever you're opening up a business. As you can see right here, it says business in a box. You can pretty much open up a business wherever you are. I personally live in the United States, so I'm gonna put United States. You'll just pretty much answer a few questions, pick your state, and they'll literally handle the rest. They'll take care of the LLC formation, the EIN registration. Another thing, you need to separate your finances. You cannot have a full-time job or a part-time job and run your business. You're going to get so confused, and whoever does your taxes is gonna be so lost in the sauce, and they're just gonna upcharge you. Like, you need to do it. That's what I've been doing. It's what all the business people doing. You need to separate your business life your business money with your personal money. You can also book a consultation to talk with somebody if you're pretty confused on what this is about. They make life a lot easier. They take care of everything so you don't have to. If you want to go ahead and try it out, you can go ahead and do that with that link down below. And if you want 10% off, which I'm sure you do, that will also be down in the description below. You can just copy and paste it and go from there. Like I said, if you're just getting started or even scaling your business, this will literally keep you protected and just set your business up for the long run. That's pretty much it for the end of this video. Vlog coming soon. It's gonna be fire. I'm here for a week, so a lot to show. Go check out Dula. They've been extremely helpful to me. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna be grinding the rest of the day and get this video out as soon as possible.